Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to force restart or force reboot your Coolpad Legacy. Hey there, my name's Sergio with Surge Tech, and in this channel I do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. Hit the bell to receive notifications on my future videos. There's going to be links to all the information that I talk about in this video down below in the description. All right, let's get right to the video now. Okay, so this is something that you may want to do if your phone is like freezing up or it's stuck on a certain screen. You can't get out. You may just want to force reboot it to see if it starts working normally again, which is just powering it off and powering it back on. It's like a forced restart. But sometimes when your phone is frozen, you press the lock button. This menu doesn't appear sometimes where you could just select restart or power off. So that is why this may come in handy for you. So what you're going to want to do is if your phone is stuck, let's say on a certain screen like this, and you're not able to get out from any screen on your phone, what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the volume down and the power lock button. So you're going to press and hold both of them for about 20 seconds and the phone is just going to automatically reboot. It's going to power off and power back on by itself. So let's go ahead and try it now. Volume down and lock button. It might take a screenshot. The volume bar may appear, but there you go. It will turn off and it will automatically turn back on, completing the force reboot. And there you go, the phone has powered back on, so it has been completely reset. Nothing is going to be erased on the phone. It's just restart of the software to see if your phone gets unstuck so that you can start using it normally again. That's it for this video. That is how you force reboot and restart your Coolpad Legacy. If this video helped you out, please give it a like. It really helps me out. And that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. And as always, peace.